Redmond Hall Kitchen. You're going to do cooking with Hendrix today. We're very excited to have you. For today's lesson, we're going to be cooking scrambled egg, and hope you'll join me. So first, we're going to get our supplies. Before you begin, make sure that you have permission to use the stove from your parent or guardian, and then you'll need to start by getting a spatula to use. Plastic, wood, it doesn't matter, either one. You'll need a plate. You'll need a frying pan. You'll need an egg. And no good cook goes without butter. You also would like to have some seasonings to taste. A little salt and pepper there. And so here in just a second we're going to get started, and we hope that this will be a fun time. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is turn your stove top on. We have it on about medium-high heat. Next thing you want to do is get a little butter. This will help to make sure that the egg does not stick, as well as imparting that delicious buttery flavor. Alright, so as you can see, we're going to grease up the pan real nice for it. And then you're going to get ready with your egg. Alright, now the key to a good egg crack is one firm smack on a sharp corner. So if you have a pan with a sharp corner like this, you can use that. You can use a measuring cup or a bowl of some kind. If you crack it one good time, hopefully you don't have any shell that gets in there and ruin a perfectly good egg. So here we go. Oh, I think it's a good one. Sure enough. All right, now to the trash with the egg, and then at this point, the scrambling is going to commence. So take your spatula that you have, chop that thing up, start moving it around, okay? You want to get it all mixed up nicely. And at this point, if you want to season your egg, you can put a little salt and pepper on it. Some people like to do that after, which is fine. Some people like to do that during the cooking process. Everyone has their own way of cooking. And we're just going to keep on moving it around. We don't want it to get stuck, don't want it to burn, chop it up. Oh, and it's starting to firm up. Now, this won't take more than a minute or two, so you don't want to leave it on there for too long. But some people would rather have a softer egg, some would rather have a more well-cooked egg. And this right here is perfect for me. So what I'm going to do is move over here to my plate, scrape it out on there, and then we're going to turn off the stove. All right, let's see how it does. Yeah, that's a nice scrambled egg. I hope your guys' egg tastes good too. Now listen, make sure when you're done with cooking that you're not going to leave a mess for somebody else to clean up behind you. Wipe down your pan, put your utensils in the sink or in the dishwasher, and that way you'll be ready to cook next time. Next week, we've got a special treat for you. It's another good egg recipe. We're calling this one Egg in a Basket.